pigeon. So this is a great one for working the hip capsule, stretching into the hip capsule, and we're keeping it active, so there's no passive stretching here. So what you're going to do is get yourself into a half kneeling lunge position, and then, which I'll show you there, which is there. Then we're walking the foot. So right now my left foot is near my left hand, and I'm going to walk it over towards the right hand, and that almost puts me into a bit of a diagonal in my leg positionings here. And what you'll do is you'll come onto the outside blade edge of that foot, as you can see. You might need to readjust the arms, because sometimes the knee, when you start to move in this position, the knee will catch into the elbow or the tricep. So you might sort of have to move this arm about just to get it out of the way. And then we're going to start to lower the knee down towards the floor. And you should get to a range where you feel quite a deep stretch in the hip capsule on that specific side. Now from there, we're going to have to use strength to push us back up to the start position. So you're going to really drive the outside blade edge of the foot into the ground, and then bring yourself back up into your start position, which is there. So we slowly lower, maybe for a count of 4 or 5, and then a big drive up. I'll show you from the side here. It's the same thing, lowering down, and then a big drive up. And what you're looking for on your final rep, so maybe let's do this for about 8 to 10 reps, is when you get to the end repetition, which I'm just going to fast forward and show you on the right side here. When you get to the end repetition, you get to that end range and you just hold it. So you'd hold it for about 10 seconds, just finding and exploring depth into that hip capsule before you then take the final rep back up to the start, and that is that side completed.